Hey everybody, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this application because iOS 10 or later on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, tap here on OK and then go back to your home screen. And here you can see I'm using here iOS version which is less than 10. Here it is 9.3.6, so that's why it's giving the error. So how to fix this issue? For that, what you have to do is just you have to grab another device, iPhone or iPad like this one, and make sure that it's running on iOS version as iOS 15, 14 or 13. I mean to say it must be here 10 or later. Yep, here you can see iOS 15. Here it is. So to solve this problem, what you have to do is just open up settings app here and then sign in with your Apple ID with the same you are using for purchase in this device. So here you can see here I'm using the Apple ID for the purchase, this one, and I have to sign in this Apple ID, this one, into this device. So you can see I have already signed this one. So after this, what you have to do is just go back and open up App Store here, and here search for the app you want to install. Like I want to install WhatsApp Business. Here it is. So what you have to do is just download this app here. Keep here Touch ID. So let it be download here. So here guys, you can see WhatsApp has been downloaded. So after this, what you have to do is just take here your device again, and what you have to do is just again open up here App Store. Yep, here it is. And after that, here in the bottom updates, so tap on this and now type here on purchase, and here is WhatsApp Business. So what you have to do is just type here on iCloud sign and type here on download. So as you can see, it's downloading. So that's the method how you can download this one. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.